Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, device model, OS version, and a recent backup so you can restore if needed. Once done, unlock admin access and open settings, then storage or data management. This targets where warnings are generated. Make sure to note which app or system module shows the warning. Don't skip verifying backups. If something fails, you'll thank yourself. Now proceed to the specific data warning control area, because the next steps change thresholds and clears queued alerts. You'll now modify the settings that trigger warnings, lower or raise storage/usage thresholds, and clear caches to free space. Once done, review app permissions and background data limits. Apps often trigger repeated warnings when blocked. Make sure to delete obsolete temp files and restart the service or app to apply changes. If warnings persist, run diagnostics or boot into safe mode to isolate the offending process, because identifying the source prevents recurring alerts and avoids unnecessary resets. You finish by rebooting and verifying the warning no longer appears. Monitor usage for 24-48 hours to confirm stability. Once done, document the changes so you can revert if new problems arise. If the warning persists, roll back recent changes one at a time and retest to pinpoint the cause. As a final troubleshooting tip, collect logs, then contact support or perform a controlled factory reset only after backups. This minimizes data loss and resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.